In this video, I want to walk you through how I am growing a recipe site using Pinterest. This site covers multiple recipe categories, guys, and one section in particular is juice and smoothie recipes. Juice and smoothie recipes category has already attracted a lot of clicks for me, and I have made a dedicated video on that topic, and you can see that video in the top right card if you want to watch that. So, guys, this is important. This is not just a juice or smoothie site, it's a full recipe site. Juices and smoothies are just one section and they perform extremely well when structured correctly. This video is not about one dish, guys. It's about the process you can repeat for any recipe category. Juices, dinners, desserts, same logic. So the first thing that I do is keyword research. I use Pintrendo. It's a free Pinterest keyword tool. You enter a target phrase and it shows you real Pinterest driven search terms, not outdated data. Once you find a phrase that makes sense for your site, don't overthink it. Pick one main target phrase. That's what will build everything around. Next, validate the keyword on Pinterest. Take that keyword phrase, go to Pinterest, type it into search box. This tells you instantly if Pinterest actually likes the topic or not. Now here's the trick. Study what's already ranking. I always analyze the top pins. Look at the colors, look at the layout, look at text size. Pinterest already shows you what works. Now, up until now, this is pretty much a generic advice that everyone's keep talking about on YouTube. But wait, guys, here's the catch. Once I find a strong pin, I copy their URLs. This is where most people stop, but this is where the real advantage starts. I go back to Pintrendo, then I paste those pin URLs into Annotation Explorer inside Pintrendo. Then I click Show Annotations. These annotations are extremely important, guys. They represent how Pinterest understands that image. These are the keywords, entities, and interest Pinterest has assigned internally. Now, with Pintrendo, each annotation is clickable. When you click one, Pintrendo shows related topics that are popular right now. This is how you uncover dozens of closely related ideas, not random keywords. This helps you build content that's tightly connected. Pinterest sees this and understands your site is highly relevant for this topic. Maybe I can cover this in my future videos. But for now, guys, let's stick to annotations. Once I have the annotations and target keywords, I write the blog post. I naturally include these terms in headings and content. Pinterest can read this because I have verified my site. When creating pins, I match the color themes I saw in the search results. This helps the pin blend naturally into the feed, which improves the performance. Next up, I write titles and descriptions loaded with annotations, entities, NLP terms Pinterest gave me. Not stuffing, just relevance, guys. Now, here's the pro move, guys. I use pin generator to create pins at scale. It doesn't just create images, it generates Pinterest optimized images with text overlay. At the same time, it gives me Pinterest titles and descriptions in one go. No switching tools, no copy paste madness. Here's the real magic. I hit generate once, I get one pin image, one unique title, one description. I rinse and repeat this 5 times. Now I have 5 Pinterest optimized images, 5 different pin titles, and 5 unique descriptions for the same blog post. Huge readable text, Pinterest readable fonts, easy for bots to read, easy for users scrolling fast. In other words, you're not guessing, you're following Pinterest signals. That's why traffic compounds. So basically, guys, you can repeat this for any recipe category. This works for juices and smoothies, it works for dinners, it works for desserts. Same process, different keywords. I would say use data, not guesswork, guys. If you want to grow faster, stop guessing. Use Pinterendo, let Pinterest guide your content.